What's going on? It's your boy Mark Bounds. Shout out to everyone who just finding out about me. Shout out to everyone who been down with me. This for y'all. Let's get it. Yeah, love. Overly dedicated, overly medicated, overly hesitating every single situation. I've been up and I've been moving, you've been down and you've been losing. Got 'em asking like, what are you doing? So right, I see the people start to gravitate. It's called working hard for results, so you don't need to fabricate. I tell the truth in my songs, I don't exaggerate. If you really want game, just evaluate. Had a glass half full, told you motherfuckers once I'm a bad, bad bull in a China shop. I just rhyme a lot and I ain't got the time to stop. I'm just busy finding spots on a beat where I can spaz. I don't need no collabs to help me gain fans. I'ma do it with my tracks. Yeah, who the fuck you fooling? What the fuck you doing? Yeah, take my mind away. Take my mind away. You better find yourself today. You better find yourself today. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dripping and living in the sauce that I'm giving. The message I's been hitting. It ain't on paper or written. Out with stone, you must find it. I roam every single climate. I'm a god like your highness. I'm a vulture, I'm the flash. They wonder why. I'm the motherfucking guy. No Fieri, but it's fire. I create for you and I'm in the galaxy on my own. Quit calling, I hate my phone. Writing while all alone and it be like, ain't really feel the same. Ain't really feel the same. Ain't really feel the same. Ain't wanna really change. Ain't really feel the same. Ain't really feel the same. Ain't really wanna change. Ain't really wanna change. Two motherfucker peas in a pea pie. Is it really just me, God? All my life, yeah. All my life, all my life, all my life, all my life, my life, all my life, all my life, my life, all my life, all my life, all my life, my life, all my life, all my life, all my life. All my life I've been working for the money. All my life I've been chasing after honey. All my life you could never take it from me. Got the confidence of every motherfucker who said fuck me. Fuck you. Go figure, now the boy here rising like the sun in the morning. Yeah, that's the horizon. Raise the bar like Verizon. In my town I'm the flash. You see the sun shining, forever climbing. Oh, never mind it, we in different climates. And I'm the hottest up in here like Jordan in game 6. Let's be clear. Let's be clear. All my life I knew I had all the swag, all the swag. All my life I knew I had to get that bag, get that bag. Yeah. All my life, all my life, all my life, all my life, my life, all my life, all my life, all my life, my life, all my life, all my life, all my life. Never stopping, getting the money, I'm weighing my options. Forever dropping, forgetting the bunnies who ain't popping. I'm popping, I'm popping, I'm rolling, I'm rolling. I got that shit and I know it, I know it. I'm popping, I'm popping, I'm rolling, I'm rolling. I got that.
Boy. Ouais, tu le mets à la main.
Ouais, bon. C'est pas le petit truc. Ah, tu voulais faire un carton. Ouais, mais le carton. Ah, pas bête, ouais.
Got no heart, yeah. All my life I knew I had all the swag, all the swag. All my life I knew I had to get that bag, get that bag. All my life I knew I had all the swag, all the swag. All my life I knew I had to get that bag, get that bag. Bag swagging, bag season, bag chasing. I'm needing every dollar bill for the things I'm seeking. Lights, camera, action, Fendi, Gucci, Prada. Oh, they got me on that brand name. I told you what they taught us, but fuck it, I live though.
Oh, c'est pas grave plus propre là qu'on voit plus la putain de branchette, c'est mort. bas.
Yeah.